Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone's surviving well. So if you've been on the EDC side of YouTube for any amount of time, you may have heard of the company called KeyUnity. You may even own some of their gear and not even realize it. Personally, I own one of their EDC scalpel knives, and it's pretty darn awesome. But unfortunately, even though they seem to be everywhere, I feel like they don't get talked about nearly as much as they should be, and that's why we're here today. Thankfully, they have sent out a bunch of gear for me to take a look at and show to you fine folks. So let's get into it and see what they sent me. The first item we're going to take a look at is the KA17 titanium folding knife, and before I do that, I want to call attention to the nice hard case that these come shipped in. I'm not 100% positive that all their gear ships in these hard cases, but I know these 5 did, as well as the EDC scalpel blade that I had personally purchased came in this. It says a lot about a company when they have that much pride in their product that they include nice packaging like this. I'm sure you folks can find a way to repurpose this nice hard case. I'm sure it will make a great addition itself to your EDC or to your second tier EDC some way, somehow. But moving right along, let's take a look at the KK08 titanium folding knife. It is a TC4 titanium alloy handle, and one trend you will see that none of these knives are locking blades, so they may be UK legal. I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know, but I'm only making assumptions, and I think it's a good assumption. But comes sharp. Is a Benchmade quality blade? No, but it's not always about the quality of the blade. It is about the blade that you have on you. And if this is all that you have on you and you need to cut some things, this will do the trick. And the fact that it is a titanium handle will take a lot of beating on your keys and just keep going. So we have that spring clip here, and another very ingenious spring right there for the blade. I don't know if you can see it move, but it keeps the blade in place when being used. This one in particular comes with a split ring, a sticker, I pulled that card out of this, and a brochure of what may be all of their products. It is a very extensive brochure. So that is the KK08 titanium folding knife, TC4 titanium alloy handle, 7CR 17 MOV blade steel, 4.25 inch total length, and it's weighing in at 0.56 ounces. $22.99 on their website. Now, I'm not going to list their prices on Amazon. I believe all these items you can find on Amazon, but those prices seem to change quite a bit. And I will leave a link to both their website as well as their Amazon link down in the description. And if you are interested in any of these items, because it's so close to Christmas, make sure you jump on that fast because of shipping times. So, KK08 titanium folding knife. Next item is the KK00. This is also a titanium alloy mini key holder knife. And one thing I should mention, that they all came in their own separately hermetically sealed bags. Now, again, another nice attention to detail. We have this nice key ring here, a card, sticker, and their brochure. Again, KK00 titanium alloy mini key holder knife. It's a TI 6AL-4V titanium alloy handle with a 5CR 15 MOV blade steel. Total length 3.33 inches and weighing in at 6 ounces. And you can pick this up off their website for $29.99. Be a great addition to your keychain. KK05 mini folding knife. It is again a TC4 titanium alloy. I think this is the smallest one yet. We do have a different colorway. Again, split ring and brochure. And a very small knife. It's measuring out at 2.8 inches, unfolded, 0.21 ounces. And you can pick up this for $10.99 on their website. Non-locking. Next item. This is the KA17 mini folding knife. Split ring and everything else you expect at this point. This is the KA17 mini folding knife, TC4 titanium alloy body, D2 blade steel, 3.23 inches unfolded, weighing in at 0.34 ounces, and it is $13.99 on their website. KeyUnity's big claim to fame is that their products are great for your keychain or pocket. I would say mainly for your keychain, for the fact that they are so small. Except for this one here. This one is the KU00 multifunctional carabiner clip. This one I really like. You can move this here over, slide your keys down here, and then you can clip this on whatever you want to, on your backpack, on your belt loop, and pretty cool. Now it does have a 2-inch ruler on this side here, and on this side here we have a JH number 10 surgical steel scalpel, and it is replaceable. Unfolded length 4.13 inches, weighing in at 0.7 ounces. And you can pick this up off their website for $30.99. Pretty neat, pretty functional. This one here does come with a titanium bead and a bit of paracord. I want to thank KeyUnity for sending these items out for my review. I greatly appreciate it. I greatly appreciate you stopping in and checking out this video. If you are interested in any of these items, again, I will leave the links to these items to both the website and the Amazon links down in the description. Make sure you jump on these fast if you want to purchase one for a gift for someone. Christmas is coming fast. So thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will see you next time.